We'll go to the and just follow the main tracks.
Again? Huh? Oh no! Oh, got Amanda too.
Snow snake.
Scorpion. Oh.
Yeah, it was. I'll have to review the video, see if there's a true scorpion in that one.
Christian's not here, so somebody's got to do it.
What?
Okay.
What am I gonna do? Oh.
You got an imprint on your back.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space.